Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
All see the screen?
Yes, sir, we can.
Yes, sir, we can, sir.
Today is a question paper discussion which only half of you attempted.
Yes, sir. I didn't.
Are there any queries related to that?
No, sir.
No?
Sankalp, you wrote maths exam, right?
Yes, I did.
Who attempted? Are there any queries?
Sankalp.
Sir, I think I do have some, sir. I marked it out. I'll like when we keep discussing, I'll ask them, sir.
Okay, all right. Yes, Tarun?
I don't know, sir. He came in the previous class.
So everyone joins.
Okay, then let's start. So in this, you all have question papers with you?
I don't
Yes,
have
sir.
the question paper, so it's in my mom's when she left.
Excellent. All right. So there is this question in section 1. Selectively pick some questions. The very first question, question number 1, was the first part.
We had the exact same question in our worksheet, sir.
Yes, sir. We had the same question in our sheet.
Okay.
I wrote the first draft. I'll bring the paper.
Hopefully all of you will be able to do this. It's nothing difficult. It is a square root of
Yes, sir.
7
The
into
square
9
root of
means 3 root 7.
yes. Yes, sir.
Then square root 7 and square root 8. Then this can be taken as common, square root of square root 7. 3 plus 2 square root 2,
Yes,
which
sir.
can be taken as 7 power 1 by 4, and square root of 3 plus 2 square root 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I got this one correct.
Yeah. Then maybe you can play around with that. Okay. Next
Sir,
major
now,
question.
sir, is this
Yeah.
our question done? 1 second, can you go to the previous slide?
Yeah.
Sir, it's not done yet, sir. We have then we have to do 2 plus 1 plus 2 root 2 because there's no option such like that, so we have to evaluate it more.
Of course, that's what I was telling. You just have to play around it now,
Yes, sir.
nothing
2
else.
plus 1 plus 2 root 2
1 by 4.
then square root square 2.
Right? Is that
Yes,
okay?
sir. I did it differently, sir. I did like 2 plus
Mm.
1 and then I square rooted and squared the number 2 and then I brought the square root out and then I did it.
Both are
I
okay.
stopped it at 7 to the power of 1 by 4 square root 3 plus 2 square root 2.
But it's an there are options. What option did you pick?
You,
So
you
I
have
didn't
to
do
see
the next step. I didn't do the next step like 7 to the power of 1 by 4 square root 1 plus 2 into 1 plus square root 2. I didn't do that.
so that is then half solved.
Hey, then what option did you pick?
Like I didn't pick any option. I just like wrote the answer.
That's
I
like
couldn't see the
completely
answer.
wrong.
I just
No problem, no problem. There are other questions also. So there is this question number 2, which you would have seen as first part. 4 plus square root 3 divided by 4
4
minus
4
minus
square
minus
root
square
3
root.
a plus b root 3, and then you have to find the values of a and b.
So it's
Yes,
easy,
sir.
sir.
Yeah,
So you
this
have to
one.
just rationalize and then compare.
A is equal to 19 by
19
3
by
and B is equal
13 and then b is
yeah,
equal
19
to
by 13 and
8
B
by
is equal to
13.
8 by
18
13.
by 13. 18
18 by
8
13.
8 8 sorry it's
This,
it's 8
this
8
will
by
it's 8
become
13.
as 4 plus root 3 whole square and 16 minus 3. This
13
becomes 16 plus 3,
16 plus
19.
4 16 plus 8 root 3. Oh yeah, 19 plus 8 root 3
Divided by 13
13.
and 13.
So
Should be equal to
sir,
a plus
actually
b root
in
3.
sir, oh no, no.
A is equal to 19 by 13 and b is equal to 8 by 13. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then insert two irrationals, two rational numbers that you all should have done.
Yes, sir. 13 by 18 and 7 by 9.
In question number 3, there is second part. Let's discuss that one. In
Oh,
question
90
3,
101 square.
yeah, so 101 square. Better to take a
Sir, I didn't
998.
understand the second. I didn't understand the second question, second one, sir.
It's 1000 minus 2 whole square.
Come to that
1000
also.
minus 2 whole square.
We'll come to that also. So for this, the expression says that you use some identity to evaluate. You can anyway multiply 998 by 998 itself, but there is a better way to do it, which is 1000 minus 2
1000 minus
whole
2
square,
whole square.
and then use a
Yes,
minus
sir.
b whole square, which is
So
a
10
square
lakhs
minus
plus 4.
2ab plus b square.
1000 minus.
So this
10
is
lakhs plus 4 minus 4000, sir.
minus 4000
Plus 4.
plus 4.
Answer
So
is
either way,
9 lakh 96,004.
9 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
9 lakhs 96,004.
No, sir. No, sir. It's not 9 lakhs.
Sir,
Okay.
10
So I
lakhs
got-
minus 4000 plus 4.
Wait, you're talking about the first one.
Second one.
The second one.
9
Oh,
lakh
it's second
96,004,
one.
sir.
So second,
Yes, right.
sir,
Yeah, me
Correct,
second
right,
one.
sir?
Yeah, that's right. Okay,
The next one
and I want to show this a third part also in the same question, question 3, third part. There
5x
is
minus
this
3y minus 2
Can I
whole
do?
square.
no, the second one, x minus 1 by x plus 5 whole square.
I did that, sir. I got the
So how
answer.
did you
X
do?
square plus.
How did you
Sir,
do?
Sir, question.
Sir,
Sir, which
I'll,
question? Sir,
I'll,
which
I'll say.
question?
Question 3, third part.
So,
Yes, sir.
okay. So first I did x square plus 1 by x whole square plus 5 square minus 2x minus 1 by like 2 into x into minus into minus
I
1
got
by
your
x.
point. There
So we
are
used a
two
plus b
ways.
plus c minus 2ab plus 2bc
Oh, like
minus
how
There
2ac.
are
That
two
formula
ways.
we used,
that
sir.
There are two ways to do this. That's why I want to solve this question. One is obviously a plus b plus c whole square. Okay. This is the most common way, which you know that it is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. But
I
there is
didn't do like that,
another
sir.
way. There is another way also. Anyone else tried any other way?
I did the normal
So
way.
I tried the other way first, but then I couldn't figure it out, so I used this. I did x minus 1 by
So
x.
what we
I
do,
first squared it,
Sir, you
and
can.
then
I
we
think you
add
can also
plus
do.
25 to it.
So I think you can also do x minus 1 by x whole square plus 5 whole square.
and
That's what I did.
Sir,
That
like
gives us x square plus 1 by x square minus 2.
so what you do, you take these two terms and consider them as a and b. Then think of a plus b whole square. This
yes, sir,
becomes
that's
I did
what I
that
said.
first,
That's
sir,
what I
but then
said.
I got it wrong. So
a
it is the
square
second way.
plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now I expand this one, x minus 1 by x whole square. This is again x square plus 1 by x
So
square
x square
and
plus
Minus
1
minus
by
2.
x square minus 2
this
plus
is 2 into 5. 2 into 5,
yes, sir.
10. So 10x
10
minus 10 by x plus 25,
yes, sir.
right? So this becomes a simple x square plus 1 by x square plus 10x minus 10 by x
Minus 10x
plus 23.
plus 23.
Using any way, you will get the same thing only, no much difference. Okay,
Yes.
all right. There is question number 5.
No, I only did till 4.
Hmm?
Then
I
you were
only did
6,
till
sir.
4.
So I didn't do fifth one A. Fifth one first one, but I did fifth one second one.
So question number 5,
So
a plus
third
b
part,
plus c.
your third part says that it's basically a word problem. Okay, these type of problems are called as word problems. So it says that if the number p is 7 more than the number q and the sum of
I didn't
squares
do
is 85, then find the numbers. So let the numbers be p and q. It is saying that p is 7 more than q.
So
What
I
does
did
it
this,
mean?
sir. Wait, this is the third question, sir.
Yes, sir, I did this, sir. This is the third question.
Question fifth, third part.
Yes,
I did
sir,
this,
I
sir.
did it, sir.
Very good. So p is 7 more than
So it
q.
was
What does
actually
it
quite
mean?
easy, sir.
No, sir,
So
for me
that
it took
means
so
p
many.
plus 7 is equal to q, sir. P plus
Hey,
7
you have
is
to
equal to
find
q.
P to Q, da.
P
That's
is
what
7 more than
that,
q.
that is equal to p plus 7 is equal to q, sir.
No.
Sorry,
No, sir,
sorry.
P.
Q is
Sir, I
Q
got
plus
the answer,
7
sir.
equals P.
Sir,
Q
P
plus 7
into
equals
Q
to.
is equal to 18, sir.
So P is 7 more than Q means that when
sorry,
you
Q
add
plus Q plus 7 is equal.
Sir.
7 to the number Q, you get the number P. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And the sum of squares is 85.
Yes, sir.
So the sum of their squares equal. Okay.
What did you do?
So I did
So I
Q
substituted
minus.
I would have tried substitution.
Sir,
yes, sir, I did
substitution only I
substitution.
did, sir. P square in
Uh-huh.
the sense I switched it out with Q minus 7, sir. P is equal to Q minus 7 only. So I did Q
Yeah.
minus 7 whole square plus Q square is equal to 85. And then I wrote the what did I wrote the formula like this is A and this is B in the sense Q minus
That's what.
7 plus Q.
So substitution is the basically you saw. So I want to show you there is another technique also. Okay.
Sir, but the final answer is 18, right, sir? P into Q is equal to 18, right?
What are the numbers?
P into Q is equal to 18.
That's
No,
a
what is P
relation.
and Q?
What are P
No, sir,
and
the
Q?
answer. Oh, P and Q? Wait.
You need.
Q is equal to -9. P is equal to 2. No, Q is equal to 9. P is equal to 2.
No.
No?
Not this way. No.
But, okay.
Yeah. So, you can, of course, you might have done some miscalculation in the substitution, but I want to
I
show
got
you a
450,
different.
sir. I got 450.
What
Which one?
450?
Final answer, P into Q.
You don't want a P into Q. You want the numbers P and Q. What is the question?
Q is equal
The
to.
numbers.
Yes, sir. So Q is equal to 18, P is equal to 25, sir.
No.
So, but the product is 18, right, sir? I don't know P and Q, but 18, right?
Okay, let's see
Sir?
that.
Okay.
So let's see by substitution. Plugging in P is equal to 7 plus Q. That is 7 plus Q whole square plus Q square is equal to 85.
Sir, I did this the other way around, sir. I did Q minus 7 is equal to P, sir.
Q minus 7
is equal to P. P
no,
plus 7 is equal to Q. P is equal to Q minus 7. P square plus
is
Q square
7
is
more
equal to
than Q. What does it mean?
it's
P
7
is 7 more
Q
than
plus
Q. So
Sir,
whatever Q
seven
is,
Q plus
you
7.
add 7 to it and you get P. Right?
Oh no, so my answer is not right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this becomes 2Q square plus 14Q plus 49 minus 85. What is it?
Sir?
49 minus 85.
Minus 85, yeah.
So 36. 36.
No.
85 minus 49, right, sir?
Anything.
If it's 85 minus 49, it's 36. With 49 minus
Is it
85,
fine?
it's negative 36.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So it is 85 minus 49, right? So it is 36.
Bringing it-
No, you transpose
bringing
the
it on the
49, so
left-hand side.
transpose the 85.
Sir, what should we
Okay.
find? Like
Sir, I got till
Q.
here correct, sir.
So what should we find? The at
The
the end.
numbers P
So
and
you
Q.
took so you took
Okay.
2 out of it, right, sir? Like factorize it
Yeah,
with 2, right, sir?
divided
It's
it by 2.
sir, till here I got it correct, sir.
So you know what is this type of equation?
So it's a quadratic equation.
Quadratic equation. So we know how to
A
solve
square
it, right?
A square plus
Yeah.
B
Sir, but
A
quadratic
minus
equation
C.
is different, right, sir?
It's the same.
Is in the variable Q now.
So I did one mistake. So instead of writing plus 14Q, I wrote minus 14Q, sir.
Your one mistake will cost you the question.
Okay, yes, sir, it is the quadratic equation.
Yeah.
Sir, so Q is basically the X in that thing, in the formula.
Yes. Yes.
Uncle, tell me the quadratic equation.
So it is minus B plus or minus square root square root
Hey,
B
tell me what's
square
the
minus.
quadratic equation, does uncle?
I don't know how to explain it.
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you.
You know, there's a math teacher like in this.
No. You said you know, right? That's why. Sir knows. I know sir knows.
Okay.
Me. Sir, this is what I got, sir. Q is equal to 2 and P is equal to 9. Negative 9 or 9. And I multiplied both and I
question.
got 18.
So we have case 1 when Q is equal to 2 and case 2 when Q is equal to minus
Negative 9.
9. Since P is equal to 7 plus Q, in that case P becomes 9. That means the numbers are P equal to 9 and Q equal to 2. In this case, also P is
Oh.
equal to 7 plus Q. So P becomes minus 2, and that tells that P is minus 2 and Q is minus 9.
But I was right.
There are two answers. Okay. Either P and Q can be 9 or 2, or P and Q can be minus 2 and minus 9. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
So that means I got it right. Partially.
Partially. So, you have to be very careful when you are solving a question. You need to know what you want to find at the end and how to write it. For that
Yes.
purpose, these assignments are given, which you don't take seriously, right?
So I wanted to do one question in the test paper, sir.
In your test paper.
No, sir. The test paper. The 8th one, first one.
It's
But let me
easy to.
pick let me
Maybe.
pick a few questions and then we can take it. Okay?
The 8th one, first one, like I know it's small, but it took me so much time to find it. What answer did you get, uncle?
Wait, even I got a long one. Let me see.
Bro, long one. There's options.
Yes, I got
Okay,
option.
let's see question number 7.
Yes, sir. Tell uncle fast.
I got option D there.
So what
D12
is
or
Q? So what is Q in that question?
Which one?
it could be anything.
Oh, the previous. It can be anything.
Like
These
2,
three
like
things.
2 or negative 9.
Oh, okay.
So I got the case 1 answer, sir. Is it
Case 2
necessary? I have
also
to.
should be taken.
Okay.
So you
So you got
there may be one more thing. If the question says that the numbers are positive numbers, then only case one is the option. Since there is no information regarding the positivity or negativity, we have to show the both cases.
oh. So I got half a mark.
Only 50%.
Yes, so 50%. I got
Steps
case one.
marks.
Yeah, steps also I got. Steps. Then only I got
You will get
case
steps
one.
marks.
If it is given that xy a square is equal to x minus y whole
So which
square
question
into
is
a
this?
plus 1, 7,
Seventh. Which one? Seventh. First one.
first one.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Find 1 plus 4 by a plus 4 by a square.
Okay, I didn't do this.
Is it?
I didn't do this. Sir.
Didn't do this.
Yeah, I didn't do this.
Because it is difficult.
No, sir. I tried it, sir. But, like, then I couldn't find the answer, and I got stuck in the middle. And I didn't have time, so I just went to the next question. I finished and then submitted.
That's why I picked it. So how to do this?
Let me try, sir. X, Y, A square.
You had your time to try this.
So you give us
It is
3
like
seconds.
this.
You
See,
can do it, sir. I'll just try it.
yeah. So
Yes,
we
sir, you can
bring
do
the a square on the right hand side and this factor on the left hand side to balance it. Okay.
So what we have to
And
find?
then
1 plus y by a.
No, no, no.
plus
4 by a
4,
plus
4
4 by
by
a.
a.
Oh, 4. Okay, okay.
Okay. So it will look like xy divided by x minus
Divided
y
by
whole square a plus 1 divided by
a
a
square.
square. Okay. That means it is xy divided by x minus y whole square 1 upon a plus 1 upon a
Yes,
square.
sir, but
Now,
can't we like dispose like can't we cut out the top a and then just put 1 by a, sir?
So
top
what is the first step? I don't get it.
Sir, but how?
divide, bringing this, so see, no, this multiplied by this and this multiplied by this, that is the expression.
Yes, sir.
I've just
Yeah,
separated some terms.
yes, sir. XY. Yes, I get it. I get it.
So I write this divided by this object and this divided by this object.
Yes, sir.
Make sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now the expression which we want to find is 1 plus
Sir, wait,
4
sir,
by
I have a
a
doubt. I have a
plus
doubt.
4 by a.
Sir, but like when we like you made a plus 1 by a square is it into a by 1 by a plus 1 by a square. How did you do it, sir?
So what is this? A plus b by c. Can I write it as a by c plus b by c?
Yes, sir.
So a by a square plus 1 by a square. What is a by a square?
A,
1 by a.
A
Oh
by A
my
1
square
by
is
God.
A.
So you skipped a step, so I forgot, sir.
a.
Yes, sir. It'll be a and a will be cut, so it'll be 1 by a plus
Yes.
a.
Yes.
Oh,
Your
yes, sir.
expression which we want to find, it can also be written as 1 plus 4 times of 1 upon a plus
1
1 by
upon
a
a
square.
plus 1 by a square.
We know the value of 1 by a plus 1 by a square.
X
This
y
is
by
1 plus
x
4
minus y
times
whole.
of xy
XY
divided by
by
x
X
minus
minus
y
y whole
whole
square.
square. Now take the LCM again.
LCM in x minus y whole square plus 4 xy by x minus y.
into
And
4.
this will come as x
So
plus y whole square divided by x
my
minus y whole square.
so what about to the 4xy?
Open the expression you will get x square plus y square minus 2xy, and there
Yes,
is
sir.
plus
So
4xy.
minus.
So this will be
So
plus 2xy.
so it's basically x plus y whole square formula.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can you just also do the steps that you skip out, sir? I can't sometimes not the
Just
What
ask
is
for it.
there to understand?
Just ask.
yes, sir.
It is x
Okay.
square plus
So
y
now it's not
square
required.
minus
Yes,
2xy
and now
plus
I
4xy. Yeah.
so it'll be x square plus y square plus 2xy, and then it'll be x plus y whole square. Okay, now I understand.
Yes.
So now we have to do just 1 plus that.
But 1 plus that. That is what we did,
Oh,
no?
1.
LCM.
Oh, yeah.
This is
So
the
that's the
answer.
answer.
This is the answer. It's in the options,
Yes.
I think. I don't have my question paper. So this is the answer, right?
How
Yes.
far should we evaluate it? So, okay, this is enough.
It's in the options, I think. I'll note it down, sir. This one I didn't understand, so I'll write it down.
You focus it, you will understand. There is nothing to understand in really.
I don't know what happened to Sankalp and Tarun. They're not even speaking.
No, Sankat, I asked him a question. He said he knew it, but when I asked him, he didn't want to get humiliated. That's why.
He's not even speaking.
That's what I'm saying. If he opens his
Hello,
mouth,
Sankalp
again
Bhaiya.
ask him the
You
question.
there?
Sir, can we do eighth one, first one, sir?
First one.
Eighth one, first one.
Okay.
It's two numbers.
Even I wanted to take the third part of it. We'll do both.
Third part. Which one is what?
Eighth and first.
Oh,
Yes, sir. What is the
So,
question?
so there are things related to predecessor and successors. We take the numbers A and B. Okay. Let A and B be two numbers.
So
oh,
what
I
is the
think X and
question?
Y. Is it okay?
Nitish, what's the question?
The
Yeah,
question
I
is,
don't have the
there are
question.
two numbers. The predecessor of the larger number exceeds the successor of the smaller number by 6. The sum of the numbers is
Oh,
32. Then find the difference. So first condition says the predecessor of the larger number. In our case, what is the larger number?
B.
B. What will be the predecessor?
A.
Predecessor of
A.
B.
Oh, predecessor B minus 1.
So predecessor
B minus 1.
of B
B
is
minus
B
1.
minus 7. B minus 1. Oh, sorry.
Wow.
Minus 1 minus no A
And
plus
the
1 minus
successor,
B minus
A plus 1
successor
is
of
equal
the
to
smaller
successor.
number? Yes.
A plus
So it
1.
says
A
that
plus 1.
the predecessor exceeds the successor by 6. That
So it's
means
A plus
Predecessor of
1
what, sir?
minus B minus 1 equals 6.
No, like,
predecessor
see.
succeeds by 6. That
So I
means
wrote Y minus 1 is equal to
this
X plus
difference
1
is
plus
6.
6.
So A plus 1 plus 6 is B minus 1.
I got it. So I wrote
Right now?
B minus 1 is equal to A plus 1 plus 6.
Yes, sir. So we basically have two equations now.
And the sum of the numbers is 32. A plus B is 32. So basically you have these two equations. A minus B is equal to
A minus B is equal to, we have to find out.
minus 8.
Wait. Sir, but
A plus B
okay,
is
okay.
equal to 32. Okay.
So that means
So,
A
Sir,
is equal
yes, sir.
to B plus
But
A.
I found a more simpler equation, sir. So I did B minus 1 minus A plus 1 equals 6, right, sir?
that's the same thing.
Yes,
You
sir.
bring
And then
both objects,
we can do it simpler, sir. B minus A equals 4. So it's like not
multiply it both sides
a-
by minus 1.
Sir,
This is b minus a equal to 8 and
So
a
I
plus
did
b
it like
equal
this,
to
sir.
32.
Y minus
What?
1 is equal to x plus 1 plus 6 that you wrote there. And then y minus 1 is equal to x plus 7. Y is equal to x plus 8. So x plus y is equal to 32, that's what we said. Y, if I substitute it, it will be x plus 8 is equal to 32. And then 2x is equal to 24. X is equal to 24 by 2, which is equal to 12. So x is 12. I found it out.
What is
And
Very
then
extra?
good.
x is 12.
Okay, very good.
And
But what do we find in the question? What is asked?
you have to find y also. We have to find both.
A
Read the
equals
question.
12, right, sir?
The question says the
Oh,
difference of
okay,
the
okay.
numbers.
So I,
Okay.
I took a as x. That's why it's actually a is equal to 12. And then
Question is
if I
asking
want to find y,
find the listen first.
okay,
Listen
okay.
first. First read the question. It is not always that they find the numbers. They need not always ask the numbers. In this case, for example, they are asking find the difference of
Yes,
numbers, which is anyway given to you.
8.
B minus A equal to 8. No need to do anything.
sir. Oh, that means what do we do? We have to find y.
This is what? Nothing to be done. Difference of the numbers, B minus A is
Sir,
already given 8.
sir, can't we do something much simpler? So we know we know it's gonna be 8 because this minus, so B minus A, we know it's 8 because if we
Yes,
subtract
that's
1
right.
from,
That's right.
so
So
why did
I
we have
can
If
to do
prove
all
it's
this,
8,
sir?
sir.
this
Sir,
is
I can
plus
We can
prove
1
just
it's
do
8.
8,
and
right,
this
sir?
is 1.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can
So I
just
can
do 8, right, sir?
So I can prove it's 8
So one
because
more
if
question.
x is, I mean, if a is equal to 12, that means y is equal to 12 plus 8. That means 12, I mean, 12 plus 8. So if I have to minus a and b, then it will be 12 minus 12 plus 8. It will be 12 minus 20, which will be negative 8, or if you transpose it, it will be 8.
What is the final answer? B minus A.
8. 8.
Got no
You
8.
could have just done it at the
That's
start. You
that's
don't even have to
that's
do
what
all this.
that's what we want to know. The difference between two numbers is 8.
So, but I worked too hard.
That is what I am trying to explain to you. Have patience. Have patience. Understand what you want to find and then approach. Okay.
Sankalp, are you
Same
there in class?
question. Same question. Third part.
He's not.
I think I did it.
I'm
No,
there.
I did
The
not.
third part says factorize x minus 1 by x whole square plus 6 times of x minus 1 by x plus 9. Anybody tried?
I'll do it, so you can.
So maybe the x minus 1 by x whole square will be x plus 1, x square plus 1 by x square minus 2.
1 second.
Then
What we do, we say that let x minus 1 by x be m. So
this
equation
is
becomes
m square
m
plus,
square plus 6m plus 9. This we
no, that's
can
not,
know how to factorize. Do we know how to factorize it?
yes, sir.
What it is?
So like
So this is
m
m
plus 3.
square plus 3m
3
plus 3m,
so but
right?
okay, yes, sir.
So
Oh,
m
like,
into
oh,
m
the
plus 3,
splitting the middle term.
yes, 3 times of m plus 3.
It
This
will
is
be m3
basically
m plus
m
3
plus
plus m.
3 whole square.
Yes, sir. M plus 3 into m plus 3. So
Now
it
we
will
bring
be
back our original expression, which is x minus 1 by x plus 3 whole square.
whole square. So, okay.
That's one. So
So,
there are
in
two
this also
factors
we
of
can
it.
state x. Oh, this is the
Mhm.
answer?
Yeah, there are two factors. Both are same. X minus 1 by x plus 3.
So
So
this
how
is
was
the
m
answer.
plus 3? Okay, no, nothing, nothing.
So we can factorize this even more. I mean, simplify this even more, right, sir?
So,
No?
what you want to open the expression?
Like x minus 1 by x, we can keep it as m, and then I can do m square plus 3 square plus 2a, I mean 2 and into 3, 2 into m into 3, and then I'll
You'll
get
get this
m.
thing.
Yeah, oh my god, okay.
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 Yes.
So there is this question number 10.
Then which one, sir? Then first one?
Uh, second part.
I did it, sir.
Question number 10, second part.
So the final last answer for that question is 36, right, sir?
See, I don't know.
Okay. I don't know.
Question says that there is a two-digit number, and let's call the number B. Let the number
Sir,
look like.
X and Y, sir, please. Because I got said
Okay.
X, Y.
Doesn't matter, whichever variable you want to take. XY.
Hmm.
And the units digit is twice the tens digit. And if 27 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places.
So X is equal to uh,
So unit
2Y.
digit is this, and this is tens digit, right?
So can you read the
Unit,
question again?
the units digit is twice the tens digit.
Yeah. So X is equal to 2Y.
Really,
Y
the
equals to
unit,
x.
the units digit is twice the tens digit.
Y equals to x.
Oh, Y is equal to 2X. Okay.
If 27 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places. So if I add 27 to the number, I get the number which is looking like yx. Okay. Now there is a small catch. Okay.
It's not multiply x and y.
So it's like let's say the number was 23. Okay. I want to switch the number.
That will not be
So
possible,
switch
sir.
becomes 32, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So it's going to be 24X
Plus
because
9. It's
Y
plus
is
9.
equal to 2X.
This can be written as 2 into 10 plus 3,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
And this can be written as 3 into 10 plus 2.
Sir.
So basically what is happening, the digits 2 and 3 play the role of x and y. Okay?
Oh
And,
my god.
and we notice this and then utilize it. So our equations become, of course, firstly y equal to 2x. Second equation is 27 plus 10x plus y, which is xy, which in this case was 23. This becomes 10y plus x. Understandable,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That is so
right?
much
yes,
thinking.
sir. This is what I did, sir.
This is
Got
what you did.
annoyed by
Okay,
yes, sir.
very good,
But like a very
very good.
different method,
So
but
let's
very
see
hard.
what we get. Let's see what we get from here.
So like if we take this
Firstly,
one, the 10y by
simplify this expression, y equal to 2x, and so simply 27 plus 9x is equal to 9y. That is y equal to 2x, and so divided by 9, so 3 plus x is equal to y. These are the simple equations. So we substitute here, we get 3 plus x equal to 2x, x becomes 3, and then we get y equal to 6. So the number
What
is
x is equal to 6? What is it?
y.
So I got
That is,
y3 and x, y3 and x6.
then you might have started with yx, the number yx.
Yes. Sir.
Uh,
No, I didn't, but still I don't know.
The
It's
number
still
should
correct. It's
come
not
as
wrong.
36.
Yeah, 36 I got. Sir. 36 I got.
And actually, you can, this is one formal way. You really have to see that. I mean, we can do by hit and trial also. I'll show you how. Remember these conditions, okay?
Y is equal to 2x.
Another way.
Oh, no, I already forgot.
So what can be the possibilities? We only have 2-digit numbers, right?
Yes.
Units digit is double the tens digit. So if I pick 1 as the unit as the tens digit, I should have only 2 here,
Yes.
right? And if I have 2 here, I have to have 4 here. If I
3,
have
6,
3 here, I have to have 6. And 4
4,
here, 8.
8,
5,
5,
I will
10.
get 10. But we have only 2-digit number. 510 is a 4-digit number.
So there are only 4 possibilities.
So there are only 4 possibilities. Now you check the second
What?
condition. Adding with
Would have
27,
done that.
you get
No
39,
way.
which is not the
Not.
reverse of 21. Adding with 27, you get 51, which is not
51.
42. Adding with 27, you get 75, which is not
So
84.
it's 36.
But adding with 27, you get 63,
No
which
way they would
is
have marked correct if I done
equal
this
to
right.
60.
Sir.
Hmm?
They would have given marks if I do this.
No.
I would have done that,
I
sir.
was happy for a second.
But this is a way to check your answer. Okay, that's the point. So if in some time you require to solve this question without worrying the method, you can do this way also.
Yes.
Okay.
It's not a graded paper.
Okay, all right. More or less, these are the things. Any other question do you want to have a look at?
Wait.
No, sir.
Wait, one. What about 12th first one, sir? When the greater of two number increase, they want to get that one.
First one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, that one also I did.
Part says when the greater of two numbers increased by 1 divides the sum of the numbers, the result is 3/2. Okay, and the difference of two numbers divided by the smaller, the result is 1/2. Simple. Let the two numbers be
X and Y.
and y, and in our case, x is greater than y. Okay. First condition says that the greater of the two, that is means x, increased by 1 divides the sum of two numbers. So x plus 1 divides the sum, the
X is
result is 3/2,
3/2.
and
X
the difference of these numbers is divided by the smaller, the result is 1/2. So
minus Y by
difference
Y is equal to
is
1.
x minus y divided by the smaller number, which is
Which is
y,
Y.
equal to 1/2. Okay. So find the numbers.
Substitution.
Again, cross multiplication. Firstly, we get the original form of the equations, which is
2x
2x
plus 2y.
2x plus,
2y is
I mean,
equal
2
to
into,
3x
okay,
plus
3x
3,
plus 3.
3x plus 3.
and 2x
2x
minus
minus
2y
2y
is equal
equals
to
y.
y.
1. Y or Y.
Here we have minus x plus 2y is equal to 3, and 2x minus 3y equal to 0. So you can pick any one. Let's say x equal to 3y by 2.
Well, I did not do it this way, but sir,
Is
why do I everything do up and down, sir? I always
So
do it
this
up and down.
becomes
When you're getting 3, I'm getting -3, sir.
no problem.
Proof your
Nothing can
normal
be
thinking.
said till the final answer,
Yes.
which means y is equal to 6, and from here x
9.
becomes 9.
Yes, I got it right.
Okay, so x is
Yes.
9 and y is 6. Anything else?
No, sir.
Okay. Even you can form questions of this form. It's not that
First,
you
take
can
the number and then like,
play around with it.
yeah.
Nothing else. For example,
Solving it, it's only not fun doing it.
if the number which
Let's
I
do it with the
want
number
is
12. 12, 12, 12.
12, fine.
What?
So we say that
Oh, playing around.
x and y. Question is y is equal to x plus 1, right?
Yes.
Y square plus x square is 5. Find the numbers. That's all.
Oh my god.
Substitution.
Wait, I'll try to do
Substitution.
it.
You might get another
Sir, you
pair
can
also.
you can either do substitution or use the identities y minus x whole square,
Or
Both
y
are
which
minus
is
x
equal to
into
x1 equals x square plus y square minus 2xy. So
both
since
are
x square
possible.
yes,
wait,
so it's
how do you solve
5
Point is, it is in
1.
your hands the way you can form the question. Okay? It's
but
nothing
not all
mysterious.
questions are possible, right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, questions are endless. They can be many. It just depends upon the creativity.
As Sankalp always says, infinity.
This question, but I don't know if it's possible, sir. Like, I think it is possible.
Okay, all right then. All the very best. In next week,
Thank you, sir.
we will start logarithms. Okay,
Oh yeah,
Logarithm?
I learned it last year for Big
logarithms,
Bang.
the next chapter, which has not been started, right?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. Which is the
We had it
chapter?
in IMO guide, sir, but then it didn't come in exam.
Yeah.
You got a guide. You could have shared it to me, though.
Okay, all right
Uh,
then. All the
I
best.
shared it with Sarvesh. Sorry,
Great.
Sarvesh shared it with me. Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.